Hi all, I am Soumya going to give a video course on Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is the Indian ancient system of mathematics which had been originated from Atharvana Veda, and this is a pioneering work done by Bhaddikrishna Tirtha who had been known as Shankaracharya of Govardhana. This is the system which had been designed for making the simple calculations. Why we need Vedic mathematics? This makes the problem very faster, and Vedic mathematics is the simpler yet more interesting than the regular form of learning maths. So let's see how the tricks of Vedic mathematics is beneficial to all of us, as Vedic maths is based on the most natural way of learning. It enables you to learn and perform the calculation at a very faster rate with great efficiency, and this also enhances the concentration and makes you more interesting on doing the sums, and also we can have a great efficiency with independent cross-checking methods which will make you sure about the answer and you won't mess up in wrong answers at all. This will save the time in many of the competitive exams, and this can be used by many of the professionals and also those who are interested in learning maths. Who find the maths as a difficult subject can opt this so that they can know how maths is very simple. So with these techniques, these are useful for small kids from third standard to even professionals who are indulged in requiring computations and speeds in maths, and also who are writing competitive exams. For them, this will save the time and make them write the exams very well and crack it in very faster time. And apart from that, we shall know how it is very simple when compared to regular conventional method. When we see this example, 95 into 95. During conventional method, we first multiply 5 into 5, then 5 into 9, and we arrive at 475. Then we would multiply from 9 into 5 and 9 into 9 and get 855. So we arrive at the answer as after totaling 475 and 855, we get the answer as 9025. So when we come to Vedic mathematics, we make it very simple way by multiplying the next digit of first digit. When you take the first digit, it is 95, in that 9 is the first digit. So in first digit, the consecutive number of 9 is 10. So 9 into 10 we multiply in the LHS, and RHS we multiply 5 into 5. So we get 9 into 10 is 90. 5 into 5 is 25. So we get it in a single step without use of more calculations, and also this reduces the mental stress, and also we make it very simple in a way that we write it in one line answer. So what are the things we are going to see in this Vedic Maths course? The topics covered are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, cubing, square root, cube root, and Pythagorean value and fractions. So kindly look into it, and if you are interested, opt for this course so that you can have a better future on mathematics, and you'll be feeling very well versed in it, and you won't have a fear of doing maths at all. Those who fear for maths won't fear from now on. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity. Thank you.